Improve your English skills, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore how to improve your English skills. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your abilities, this video is for you. Let's dive into the world of English learning together. What do we mean by improve skills? It's all about enhancing your abilities. In the context of English, this means bettering your speaking, writing, listening, and reading skills. Improving these skills will make you more fluent and confident in English. To enhance your speaking skills, practice is key. Try to speak in English daily. You can talk to friends in English, narrate your day to yourself, or even join English-speaking clubs. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They're part of learning. Improving writing skills involves practice and feedback. Start with writing short paragraphs or keeping a journal in English. Use tools like grammar checkers to correct your mistakes. Reading good English writing can also help improve your own. Listening skills are crucial for understanding spoken English. Watch English movies or TV shows, listen to English songs, and try to understand the lyrics. Podcasts and news in English are also great resources. Reading is a fantastic way to improve vocabulary and understand sentence structure. Start with simple books or articles and gradually move to more complex material. Pay attention to new words and phrases and try to use them in your speaking or writing. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice in all these areas will lead to improvement. Set small, achievable goals for each skill and work towards them daily. Improving your English skills is a journey, and every small step counts. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll see progress. We hope this video helps you on your path to becoming fluent in English. Happy learning!